Hi, this is Topper Chef back again. Today we are going to cook a fantastic Cajun style Indian dirty rice. Now this is original. Like if you go to a Cajun restaurant and you can get this dirty rice, but look at my recipe because we are not going to put any liver and gizzards or anything in that. So this will be a completely different type of recipe and y'all are just gonna love it. Okay, so as usual, like our rice we make, we require this amount of oil. The gas is on, so I'm gonna put this oil. We require a little more oil than usual for this rice is because we're gonna saute a lot of different stuff into this oil. Okay, so now to this hot oil, I'm gonna add some cloves, which is hot. It gives the aroma out, the oil. Some bay leaves. There you go. And of course, then we're gonna start with some of our chopped onions. And this really has some zing to it. That's why it's called the Cajun hot dirty rice. And this is Indian made. That's why this is fine, not very fine cut jalapeños, but that will bring the flavor, the spiciness to this whole thing. Saute this for a little bit. Now this is where I'm going to add our whatever, a substitute for our liver and kidney or whatever, it goes in dirty rice. So this is our basic vegetarian substitute for that. Let this saute. Okay, so now this was sauteed for maybe 1 minute or so. To this, I'm going to add some chopped garlic and my special curry spice and our Cajun seasoning. Now, Cajun seasoning is basically little cayenne pepper and some onion powder and garlic powder to give some zing to it. And let's saute this now, get all these flavors in this stuff. Oh, it smells so good. Wow. I'm telling you, this rice is gonna come really tasty. Okay, so now this has been sauteing for probably 1 minute or so, and you can see. And to this, we're gonna add some minced meat. And some thyme powder. Let's move this around a little bit. Now see, now this is the difference of this rice. That is why it's called dirty rice, because now that's the rice which will go well with our Creole shrimp, which I'm going to cook next with this. Okay, now this is ready. Now this is where I make a pilaf rice. I'm going to add my water. Let this come to a boil. A teaspoon of salt. Okay, so now we let this cook like as usual, the same way I make my rice. We covered it so we can save some time. And to this I'm gonna add my 1 teaspoon of salt. And salt is always according to taste. And again I'm gonna add my rice to it. Rice is washed. It's about 3 cups of rice to 3.5 cups of water. That's our standard recipe. On high heat so that the starch moves away and get all the starch out for it. Oh my god, it smells really good, and it's a completely different kind of a rice. I'm so excited to bring it to y'all. And you can cut down on the jalapeno if you don't like it spicy, but this usually takes peppers, green peppers. I didn't want to use green peppers because I really don't like the capsaicin in green peppers when it leaves. So I prefer my jalapeno to it. Okay, so this is the continuation of our dirty rice. As you can see, I'm trying to dry out all the water in this, and this is what is the main thing. You have to dry out this water so there's no starch left into it on high heat. And now's the time from high heat. I'm going to go to real low heat and let it cook for 20 minutes in the steam. Always. There you go. Now the time, turn it low and cover it for 20 minutes without opening it at all for 20 minutes. Okay, Topper Chef back again. So now it's like our basic recipe 20-20. So 20 minutes, put it off, and 20 minutes, turn it on. Open 20 minutes to open it. Okay, so my 20 minutes are up. Okay, so now we're gonna open this stuff. Voila, our dirty Indian rice. Instead of seeing all the liver and gizzard of chicken, you're gonna see something different. And always fluff the rice like that, you see. Oh my god, it smells amazing. And to this, since it's still got the steam, I'm gonna add this parsley. Mix this parsley up and let it steam a little bit with that too. Just mix it a little bit. There you go. And just keep it covered for another 10 minutes till we eat. There we are. This is our fantastic, tasty, dirty Indian rice.